My.
You're spelling it backwards. There you go.
My name. Wait. Is Maddie. And got my kid. Whoops, I got that. Oh. Yeah, I spelled that right. No, I didn't. G. Oh. Exclamation point.
Good job. Go on. Come on, Brenda.
You got punished.
Come on, yours is easy.
Fine. Wait. So if the camera would read it, it would be going. Yeah, you have to go that way. Yes. Okay. Should I just write Brenda or my name is?
You could say, how about my video was short?
My name is Brenda. What?
Just say my video was short.
Have fun.
With your butt.
So my no.
Yes.
No.
That is way shorter than my name is Maddie and I forgot my video! Exclamation point. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Then just do Brenda. Brenda is 20. I'll do Brenda with
Brenda, come on.
Am I just spelling my name? Yes! Okay, fine.
Do it.
Brenda, just do Brenda. That's all you need. I already wrote Brenda. It's not that hard.
You're not doing it?
Not right now, no.
When are you doing it then?
I don't know, later. I'm gonna regret that.